How do you find Will Smith in the snow? You look for fresh prints. You're welcome.
All right, today, since we're waiting on trusses right now, we're going to put up the fence up the front. We haven't finished that yet, so we're going to put that on. We got a bunch of old pine boards we're going to use, and I think it's going to turn out good. So let's go up there and do that.
J-A-S, Jeremy, Ashley, Sam.
Like that. That bird is mimicking
The gun?
sound.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Hello.
Hello? Listen. You can hear his rain.
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
Oh, you know what's gone?
What?
The bone tree.
Is it gone?
That was up here.
Oh.
Look at that bone. That's grown. The tree's grown like around that. And now it's right in there. What we found here. This here is actually grown around a tree, which is no longer standing. I think it's a human femur. So it happens to trespassers.
Ah, it hit me!
Yeah. Right in the groin.
I know what you're thinking, all right? So just let me explain here. Mommy! To tell the story. You must have a really wide foot. You got both of them.
Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
And this will gray, so it won't look like. The other stuff will be gray anyway. You won't even see this.
No.
I'm just gonna put the line in the bottom. What's that fence?
Oh, yeah? That makes sense.
I'm just gonna put these screws in there for this part. Right there?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put these two on, Sam, and then we're gonna run the boards up and down.
What two?
The one here, and then another one up here. Then we're gonna run the boards up and down. Look cool. Almost looks like a fence as it is.
Yeah, coming.
Is it?
Okay, ready to come down a little hair. If it really matters, but yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay! Good enough for the girl, I got it. And you don't mind either, do you?
Aw. You suck.
Mm.
Boys and girls, the hotel is officially open.
Is that 3.5?
Yep. Everybody, the hotel is officially open.
So here's the pine boards. They're scraps. They're actually flooring, pine flooring that we had bought 2 years ago. We've been using them for random projects. So we're going to cut them up at 4 feet lengths.
There's the number, wasn't it?
Yeah, 3.5, I think. Want me to help you? Want me to do something? Oh,
I had to laugh when you used the gun. Oh, I had to laugh that you didn't do everything with a handsaw. I had to just laugh. Okay. As long as we can be entertaining. Probably put it on this. Maybe easier. Because the other might not be that straight. Yeah,
the
it
top
looks
could
good.
come out a little bit. But...
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay.
Now it don't. The top?
Yeah, don't you think?
Well, how am I going to do that? I got a friggin' screw in it.
Yeah, just leave it.
No, it's not good. Right now. Oh my goodness.
These boards probably aren't even straight.
No, they're not. It's pretty close. Well, you can't just do nothing.
Why?
And then they're all sideways. You get down there, and it's on a big giant angle. It looks like a complete gong show. Oh yeah, look at that one. Clear over there, drive over there. Driveway. We move the driveway over to there somewhere. With a bunch of screws. Whoa, that just straight wet. Just freaking slid right in. I think once they're all up, it'll look fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
You nasty looking thing.
Not my one job. I'm not doing it.
Baba! Oh, freaking! I almost hooped that stair. It's on a screw.
Yeah. This board's not flat, so this is really pointless. There, that's pretty close. Pull that a little tighter if you can. Just pull as tight as you can and go. Go for the gold!
These have come in handy.
What'll come in handy?
These we have come in handy. They're
Oh,
in our
I
kitchen.
know, eh? They're
They're in
everywhere.
the chicken coop. Freaking fence at the front.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Yeah, that's good. You're good as soon as you went in.
I was still moving it and you're freaking moving the thing. Alright, good. So even though I moved it like a quarter of an inch, it's still good? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. It's just as long as it's close. Not looking for perfection here.
No,
This is
we
just
ain't.
to block out the trespassers. They just walk around it.
Yeah.
That's not going to hold anybody in. That's not going to hold anybody. You need an electric fence and a bunch of guns. You need 75 dogs up there. That's what I do in Oklahoma. Nothing against anybody in Oklahoma. You said Oklahoma, you freaking jerk.
Yeah, here, should I level it?
I can't
Or?
believe you actually said that. People in Oklahoma are great people.
I'm sure they are.
They probably actually are.
Am I leveling it or not?
You hold that up there.
Bang on. That is bang on.
Hopefully this giant 12-foot stand isn't going to be too much and it just all blows over with a hard wind. I am so hungry. Let's just put a bunch of these in my pocket.
Yeah, I don't know
Here.
why you don't. You useless
I
human
left
being.
I left my thing at the front, the tool belt, now that I need it.
Yeah.
I wore it when we didn't need it, just for looks.
Yeah.
You need to learn ladder safety. I know ladder safety, I just don't implement it.
Yeah, you can come out of here actually this time. Wait, no, wait, I'm not even on proper. Why are you holding it so tight?
Because it's supposed to be on tight. You don't just guess.
No, the top,
It's
it's too
freaking
low.
imbecile.
Come out a little bit more in there. Oh, whatever, just go.
Oh yeah.
The board's so low.
Yeah, that's not bad. Good enough.
You have screws. Why am I holding your measuring
You
tape?
took it off my pocket.
Yeah, I did. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good.
Looks stupid.
You're stupid. Fine with it.
It's your idea. Now people can just roll right under and freaking get into our property and kidnap us and kill us. Thanks for that. Just roll under the fence. He left a big giant gap.
Because they couldn't have just like rolled under this one. They could probably fit my body through this.
Your body will definitely not fit through there. Okay, you're going to get stuck.
Oh. Look it.
You're not as little as you think you are. Trespasser!
Where's the tape?
You dropped it when you tried to fit your body through the fence.
Got closer through than I thought I was gonna.
Your big butt got stuck.
Okay. You go try to get through. Make it nowhere.
That's rude and hurtful, and I could probably make it through.
Oh, there goes the tape. Oh. All right, you measure that again?
Probably pretty good, right? Sure. That'll do, donkey.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
That'll do. Last board that we have cut. Last board for tonight.
Last word tonight. I'm starving.
I made a yummy meatloaf.
Okay, before we finish the fence there at the front with the gate, just going to show you a couple new lights from Olight. I want to show you. There's a flash sale going on now, so that's why I'm showing you, because it's time sensitive. So this here is the Warrior Mini. Has a clip on it. Super bright. All the details to it are going to be down. If you go through the link, it'll tell you the lumens and everything, but it's super bright. Different settings. A really cool feature about them is they have this, and it plugs on the back like that to charge it, and that charges through a regular USB. So that's super cool. And a lot of their lights do that. It has a clip, stuff like that. All the details, check down through the description. Flash sale. Another one is this i3T EOS. This is an everyday carry. Also has a clip. Man, I use it for like this. I use them all the time. I have other ones too. You can check those out down through the links too to check out the other ones I have like this. But this is a limited edition. It's red. Really cool. Also different settings. This here runs just off the AAA battery. Crazy lumens. Press it once for a lower setting, a couple times for a higher setting. Again, all the details for that. If you go through the links, it'll take you to their site where you can get more details on the flash sale. They're giving away a keychain light, so the details are also on the website for that. So go to the link below. Check out Olight. These are honestly, I have a bunch more other lights that I showed in another video. You can check that up here. And these lights are super cool. They're awesome everyday carry lights and defense lights, keychain lights, a bunch of cool stuff, all kinds of cool lights. But these are honestly the best ones I've ever had. I never knew a flashlight could be that cool. I ain't joking, seriously. Anyways, check out the link below. Flash sale's on now, so it's time sensitive in that way. And then you can go down below, check everything out. All right, thanks. We're going to finish up that fence up the front. All right.
We're done. I love it.
Yeah, I love it too.
Looks so sharp.
It gives like an awesome facelift to the front of
Oh, yeah.
the property coming in there with that shipping container here and all that. Now that fence and now that extra piece of fence.
Yeah, looks great. We're super happy.
And we just got to use those old pine boards we had.
I know.
And
so
a
that was
bunch of
bonus.
small deck screws we had. Short ones, so they're not sticking at the other side. So that was a bonus. We had those.
Yeah, really awesome.
Yeah. So we're actually getting a sign made up for that.
Yeah.
So we'll show you when we get that. Not exactly sure when that's going to happen, but
we're really excited about it. A local small business here, so that's really cool.
that makes them, yeah. We'll let you know about it once we get it.
We sure will.
So that's pretty cool. That's happening soon. The only thing as far as keeping the front looking good is the darn bear that gets into our garbage no matter what you do.
Yeah, he
you
likes
can pour
to just...
oil on it, you can pour anything and he takes it. What it is
He's hungry.
it's not always put out when it should be, really.
Yeah, once the garage is up, I'll probably keep it in there in a bin and bring it out every Tuesday when we have garbage day, as long as I get here early. But there's been days I bring my garbage out on Tuesday morning, and before the garbage truck comes Tuesday morning, he's into it and throwing it across the yard. So
But we have things we're going to do, so
we are working on
no
that.
need for ideas for it. The only reason I say that, I just don't feel like reading a pile of ideas.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, but there's like so many people, I'll get a lot.
Yeah.
But we have an idea. We're going to do a metal thing up there when I can.
Yeah.
And it'll
One
work.
step at a time.
So, anyways, we're waiting on trusses, so that's why we did this today.
Hopefully they'll be here soon. If not, we'll have a lot more other projects.
We get a
But
lot
they
more
will
to
be.
do. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But anyways, all right.
See you in the next
ya.
one.